Alright guys, 16 horse Vanguard V-twin, all stock, nothing special. Just brought it back to life, just kind of playing with it a little bit. Ran it, noticed it sounded like it was making a little bit of bottom end noise. Shut her down and got to playing with it, and I don't know if you guys can hear that. It sounds a bit like a rod knock or whatever, maybe got a loose cap or something like that, I'm not sure, but without taking it apart, what do you guys think it is? I mean, that's my next step to see if this thing's any good. But if you guys give me any feedback, that'd be great. Thank you guys. Bye.